Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I got one more interesting workaround problem that we can use. Before going into that, please check out my channel where I've uploaded certain problem statement and try to solve in simplest manner. If it helps to enhance your skill set, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. So let's jump into the problem what I have it. So I have just created a sales versus category and year bar chart where if you see here, I'm using the simple sales superstore data. If you can see, here the furniture has 4 years of data, office supplies, and similarly we have the technology. Now, somewhat, if you want to read this particular kind of a chart, actually sometimes it makes it very difficult. Actually, like which office, like just to focus point of view, not on the information point of view. So can we enhance this kind of a chart? Let's try to enhance these things. Let's say if I go here and if I have a grid lines, let me add some grid lines here. If you see bottom lines, we have the grid lines. Sometimes it makes sense. If I just, let's say, add a data label and remove my, let's say, y-axis values. Y-axis values should turn down this thing. Let me then what I can do here is, yeah. So this looks quite good. I wouldn't say it's bad, but sometimes you might need to enhance bit more actually. And when I say bit more, how we can transform this particular chart, what you are seeing right now, into somewhat this particular chart. If you see here, I have already created one. If you see here, let me delete this thing and enlarge this thing. So can we just create and differentiate? It looks more clear, intuitive, and bit more formatted values in the millions. It has the sales by year and category. Can we create some this kind of a chart or not? So what are the things that you need to do this thing? So if I go back to this chart, let's see what I can do. So I have to select this thing. So here to transform these things, first you have a category here on x-axis. Let's remove the category here in axis and you see that small multiple options here. And you can split your visual into multiple smaller chunks. That makes more sense here. Let's see. So what I can do, I can just drag category into small multiples here. Now again, if you see it has three like two rows and two columns, so can we change that thing? Yes. How we can? If you have see, go to format visual and you will see the small multiples, and let me do one row, so all the things will be in one row. Okay. And can I have three columns? Let me have three columns. So we are done. Like let me remove the grid lines actually here. So this is what it looks like. If I can improve this thing, let's see if we can improve. So what I can do here, it's like, let's go to x-axis. We have a title here. Title values. It looks good. Then small multiples. Again, go to title and you can increase the size of office supplies and all. And let's have into this center. And at the same time, can we have borders, but a solid border? It has different border options. If you can select all, it will cover all of this, but I'm not going with the all option. I'm going with only horizontal one. Why? Because I want to have like border across all the chart, the chart, not on the simply on the border. So what I can do here, let me do one thing. I go here, small background is done. Now if I go here, title, let me select the title on the center. We need a divider line. It looks good, divider line. And spacing you can control. Spacing is something you can control again, customize space. Now go to effect. We have a visual border already on. Look, it looks a bit more compact here. We have the legends. We can remove the horizontal grid line. It will look more better. If we have to go to grid line is there, but horizontal is off. Small multiples, borders. Okay, we have selected this thing. dash solid, increase a little bit width of this. Now it looks better if you see. And x-axis, no, this looks way better what we have on your first page. If you see this thing, oh sorry, I have removed this thing. So this looks way better than the previous version that we have created, and looks clean also, and it also works like better. Like if you see here, if I just add some uh, filter on some segment or what, it also do. So clearly, if you spend more time on this, you can enhance this visual. You can add few of the conditional format as well, sorting as well, custom sort if you want. So these kind of a things helps a lot to enhance your visual. So instead of just creating a simple bar graph, try to add something which has more value to your visualization and get me clear and distinct information that 2015 45K, 2015 office supplies 49K. So this is a clear distinction between the sales value between both the years. So try to enhance this kind of visuals where you have something like this. Let me just clear where it is. Sales. I have to check for you. Yeah, sorry, my bad. So this is something you can just create, and it's quite interesting. Like I was never been into this kind of thing. Like how we can just distinctly, like if you see here, again, this is one of the views that you can think of, and you can just remove. Let me remove for a time being. Look, this view is quite how much difference is then between both these views. So try to like do something which is more intuitive, more insight, like someone who is decision maker who can take more insight out of that, and at the same time it looks good also more presentable. So if you like this video, like this particular enhancement in your bar graph, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Follow for more Power BI updates.